In a major explosion in a factory, at least 6 people lost their lives in the fire incident in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu on Friday. Initial reports by fire service personnel on site said about 10 people were injured in the explosion. Reportedly, the incident happened while some chemicals were being mixed to produce fireworks. To douse the fire in the factory at Chankulam village, 10 firefighting units from various locations rushed to the spot. The Prime Minister office in a tweet sent condolences to the families of the bereaved and also announced an ex gratia of Rs 2 lakhs to the families of those who lost their lives due to the fire. Further, an ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees each for the kin of the deceased has been approved from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. 50,000 rupees will be provided to those seriously injured, the Prime Minister's office said in Delhi.